So my question is, I'm with a BDS campaign in Ithaca, New York. We put forward a referendum to our co-op to try to de-shelve products, Israeli products, from the shelves until the boycott, until the occupation is ended. We weren't even allowed to bring it forward to a vote because our opposition got involved, lawyers got involved, that basically used lawfare against us. They found some New York human rights law where they tried to say you can't boycott something based on national origin. And so now we're there, where we can't even bring this forward to a vote to our members because of this weird law and how they're trying to twist it. So what advice would you give to us that are involved in this campaign on dealing with that?
Sure. Thank you for the question. First, there's nothing national about Israel. Israel does not recognize its nationality. There's no such thing as an Israeli nation. The Supreme Court, government, and the Knesset in Israel do not recognize an Israeli nation. So, there's no such thing. So, nothing Israeli is a national thing. Because Israel is the only country in the world that does not recognize its own nationality. Israel recognizes 130 plus nationalities, but Israeli is not one of them, for the simple fact that the Supreme Court and the entire establishment in Israel consider recognizing an Israeli nationality as tantamount to undermining Israel as a Jewish state, as an existential threat, no less, to Israel as a Jewish exclusionary supremacist state. And therefore they refused, systematically, Israel has refused to recognize its own nationality. So the question has to be reframed. There's nothing called national origin when it comes to Israel, because there's no such thing. Second, the BDS movement does not target Israel based on any, as I said, claimed or perceived identity, but solely based on the fact that Israel's regime of oppression is undermining our rights, Palestinian rights, under international law. We call for a boycott against Israel until it ends its system of oppression and its violations of international law. It's not an internal boycott to punish Israel. It's a non-violent, inclusive, anti-racist struggle to achieve our basic rights under international law, period. And therefore, we do not only call for boycotting products of Israeli companies because of their violation of international law, because that's how we frame it. We're not calling for a boycott of Israel, period. We're calling for a boycott of this regime of oppression and international, as well as Israeli corporations that are complicit in its violations of international law. So if it's a French company, an American company, or an Israeli company, is irrelevant. That quote-unquote national origin, although it does not apply to Israel, is irrelevant anyway. Even if it were to apply, it would be completely irrelevant, because we call for boycotting any corporation, products of any company that is involved in Israel's violations of our rights.
Thank you.